I just took her name and made that bitch a LLC. Stuff a couple stacks up in there, bitch, get on your feet. You make twice as much if you switch it up just to see.
Hey queens, so I'm back with another video, and excuse my voice, the weather's changing and I sound kind of like a man, but it's alright. Let's get into the video. So today we customizing this unit. We're gonna be plucking it. Well, this frontal. We're gonna be plucking this frontal, and I'm just showing you where I started and how it looked different from one side to the other. And now I don't have any specific method how I pluck the frontal, but I'm gonna start with water. And I'm just gonna basically start to pluck a hairline. I want it to look as natural as possible. Sometimes I feel like I tend to OD, but then when I put the unit on and everything and it's complete, it looks good. So what I do is I pull the hair back and I just take the tweezers and I stick them right in between the hair and I just pull it. I just stick them in between, like I'll like skip an area and like hold. It's like hard to explain, but if you kind of just watch what I'm doing, you'll understand what I mean. So I'm just going to continue plucking. And like I said, I don't have a specific method. I just go by how I feel like my hairline needs to look. So I'm brushing the hair to make sure it looks as natural as possible, which I like it. So I'm just going to keep moving to the middle. I'm one of the people that have a very big forehead, and I have a lot of forehead space, so I don't need to make a specific type of hairline. So I just go with what I think is cute. And now we're gonna move the frontal to the front and start plucking. Doing the same method, pulling and skipping a space. I pull a hair, skip a space, pull a hair, skip a space, and I'm taking a tweezer and I'm basically gonna pluck too much because it's gonna be a broad frontal. I feel like I plucked it uneven, but trust me, there's nothing you cannot fix. Trust me. So I'm just random with it. So now I'm just basically making parts and kind of plucking in between to like not have the middle so big. I don't like to see the frontal pluck and then when you part the middle or you part the side, it's just like a sea of hair, just so thick and just there. Like I don't like to see that. So you want to get the hairline as natural as possible. You want to get the hair as natural as possible. You want it to look as natural as possible. You really do not want it to look wiggy, and that's the point. So that's why we pluck. So I'm just making my parts, and I'm just putting it as I go. And I'm just eyeing it. Honestly, I'm eyeballing everything. I'm just going by what I see. Alright, there's too much here right there. I'm gonna pluck it just like that. So this is one side. And I feel like I'm done, so I'm going to get started on the other side. So I'm just moving the pin so everything is laying flat. And you want to make sure that it's laying flat on the mannequin hair so you have enough so you can see where you want to pluck. So I'm doing the same steps, just shoving it in and taking the hair out. And once again, I'm just parting in the middle, making parts, and I'm just plucking the part. And anywhere where it looks too full, I'm plucking. Don't mind the knots on the frontal. I had bleached the knots before I did this, but I noticed that the knots didn't bleach enough, so I re-bleached the knots after I got done plucking. So I'm just gonna continue to pluck away. Now when I got to the other side, I kind of just freestyled and just did whatever I wanted to do. And I actually think I'm going to pluck my frontals this way because it was just so so easy to me, and it was so quick and efficient. So yeah, I just feel like doing it like this, doing whatever I was doing, just kind of just eyeballing it and just taking hands wherever I feel like it needed to be taken from. That's how I feel like I'm going to continue to do my frontal, because that's how it was so easy to do. It was so fast, and I guess because I already know what I wanted, I already formed what my hairline on the other side, I already knew what I wanted on the other side. So it was just simple. So I'm just basically going in the middle and just working, trying to get it as not thin as possible, but not have it as full as possible. And this is all the hair that came out the frontal. Don't worry, don't be alarmed. That's actually just about right. And this is the finished product. I don't think it's perfect, but I like how it came out. And I want to thank you for watching. If you like the video, and don't forget to like, and don't forget to subscribe. And I will see y'all later. Peace.